Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wake up one morning and realize that your biggest dream had just come true? Imagine going to bed with a desire in your heart, and by the time the sun rises, your life has already begun to change in ways you never thought possible. Sounds like something out of a fairy tale, right? But what if I told you that this could be your reality? Today, we're diving into a technique that's not just a trend. It's a powerful, life-altering method that people are swearing by. It's called the forbidden manifestation technique, and it's not just about wishful thinking. This is about unlocking a part of your mind that has the power to make your deepest desires come true, sometimes overnight. Whether you're new to manifestation, or you've been trying to make it work for a while without seeing the results you want, this could be the missing piece you've been looking for. So, get comfortable. Open your mind, and let's explore how you can start using this technique tonight to transform your life. In this video, I'm not just going to give you the steps. I'm going to share with you how this technique has impacted real lives, including my own. We'll talk about why it works, how to make it work for you, and what you can expect when you start using it. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. No complicated rituals, no hours of meditation. Just a few key steps that could turn your dreams into reality faster than you ever imagined. So, if you've ever felt stuck or wondered why some people seem to get everything they want while others struggle, stick around. This might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's jump in. Understanding manifestation. To fully grasp the power of the forbidden manifestation technique, it's essential to first understand the basic principles of manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing something into your life through the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. The law of attraction plays a crucial role here, suggesting that like attracts like. If you focus on positive outcomes, you're more likely to attract positive results. But it's not just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about truly believing in the possibility of your desires and aligning your entire being with them. Traditional manifestation techniques often involve practices like visualization, affirmations, and vision boards. These methods work by consistently feeding your subconscious mind with the image of your desired reality, helping to shift your beliefs and vibrational energy towards that outcome. However, while these methods are powerful, they often require time, patience, and consistent effort to see results. The origins of the forbidden manifestation technique. The forbidden manifestation technique is said to be a more advanced, secretive form of manifestation, designed to accelerate the process and bring results in a much shorter time frame, even overnight. This technique allegedly originated from ancient teachings, passed down through generations of mystics and spiritual leaders who understood the power of the mind and the laws of the universe. The term forbidden might imply that this technique was once hidden or reserved for a select few, perhaps due to its potency or the need for a certain level of spiritual maturity to handle it responsibly. But now, in an age where knowledge is more accessible than ever, this technique is available to those who are ready to use it wisely and ethically. The science behind the technique. While the forbidden manifestation technique may sound mystical, there is a significant amount of psychological and neurological science that supports its principles. The technique works by leveraging the power of the subconscious mind, which is most receptive to suggestion when we are in a relaxed, meditative, or sleep state. Our brain operates on different frequencies, with the alpha and theta states being particularly conducive to subconscious programming. The alpha state occurs when we are awake but relaxed, such as during meditation, while the theta state occurs during light sleep or deep meditation. In these states, the mind is highly suggestible, meaning that affirmations, visualizations, and other techniques can deeply embed into our subconscious, effectively reprogramming our thoughts and beliefs to align with our desires. Steps to practice the forbidden manifestation technique. Now let's break down the forbidden manifestation technique into actionable steps that you can start implementing tonight. Step 1. Preparation and setting intentions. Begin by setting a clear and concise intention for what you wish to manifest. It's crucial to be specific and to ensure that your intention aligns with your true desires. This is not a time for vague wishes. Clarity is key. Write down your intention on a piece of paper or in a manifestation journal, describing it in the present tense as if it has already occurred. For example, instead of writing, "I want to be wealthy," write, "I am wealthy and financially free." Step 2. Create a sacred space. Creating a conducive environment is vital for this technique. Your space should be clean, quiet, and free of distractions. Dim the lights, light some candles, and use incense or essential oils to create a calming atmosphere. Surround yourself with objects that inspire and uplift you. Crystals, pictures, or anything that resonates with your intention. Step 3. Enter a deep meditative state. Once your space is ready, sit or lie down comfortably and begin to relax your body and mind. You can do this by focusing on your breath, slowly inhaling and exhaling to release any tension. Gradually, allow your mind to clear, letting go of any stray thoughts. As you sink deeper into relaxation, imagine a warm, soothing light enveloping your entire body, relaxing you even further. As you settle into this deep meditative state, you're allowing yourself to connect with your inner power, the part of you that can shape your reality. It's in these moments of deep relaxation that your mind is most receptive to change, to new ideas, and to the possibilities that you've always dreamed of. This is where true manifestation begins, where the seeds of your desires are planted deeply within your subconscious. Now, while you're in this relaxed state, imagine how incredible it would feel to effortlessly attract the wealth and abundance you've always desired. If you're ready to start attracting huge money effortlessly, starting today, there's something you should definitely check out. In the comments below, I've linked to some shocking wealth secrets revealed by a rogue NASA scientist, secrets that could change everything for you. But for now, let's get back into our exploration and continue this powerful journey toward manifesting the life you deserve. Step 4. Visualization. With your body and mind relaxed, start to visualize your desired outcome. Picture it as vividly as possible, engaging all your senses. If you're manifesting financial abundance, see yourself enjoying the lifestyle that comes with it. Perhaps you're traveling to exotic locations, driving your dream car, or simply enjoying peace of mind. Feel the emotions associated with your manifestation: joy, gratitude, excitement. The more real you can make this experience in your mind, the more effective the manifestation will be. Step 5. Affirmations and emotional anchoring. As you visualize, begin to repeat affirmations that align with your desire. These should be positive, present tense statements like, "I am abundant and prosperous," or "I attract love and joy effortlessly." The key is to not just say these words, but to believe them fully, feeling them resonate deeply within you. To enhance this, use emotional anchoring. Focus on specific emotions that your manifestation will bring and amplify those feelings within you. For instance, if you're manifesting love, feel the warmth and security of being in a loving relationship. Step 6. Use the pillow method. One of the powerful components of the forbidden manifestation technique is the pillow method. Write your main affirmation or intention on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow before going to sleep. As you lie down, focus on this intention, repeating it silently in your mind. Visualize your desired outcome one last time, and then let go, trusting that the universe is already working on bringing your manifestation to reality. Step 7. Surrender and trust the process. After you've completed the visualization and affirmation process, it's crucial to release your intention and trust in the process. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up. It means letting go of the need to control how and when your manifestation will occur. Trust that the universe has heard your request and is working to bring it into your reality. This step is essential because holding on too tightly to the outcome can create resistance, which may delay the manifestation. Enhancing the technique with additional tools. To amplify the effectiveness of the forbidden manifestation technique, consider incorporating additional tools like crystals, sound frequencies, and guided meditations. Crystals. Certain crystals, like amethyst, citrine, and rose quartz are known to enhance manifestation practices by aligning your energy with your desires. You can hold them during your meditation, place them under your pillow, or keep them in your sacred space. Sound frequencies. Binaural beats and solfeggio frequencies can help attune your brain to the optimal state for manifestation. Listening to these frequencies during your meditation or while you sleep can deepen your connection with your subconscious mind. Guided meditations. If you find it challenging to enter a deep meditative state on your own, consider using guided meditations specifically designed for manifestation. These can help you relax more deeply and focus your mind on your desired outcome. Success stories and testimonials. To inspire and motivate you, let's look at some success stories from those who have used the forbidden manifestation technique. One user shared how they manifested a new job opportunity overnight after practicing the technique. They had been struggling in their career for months, but after setting a clear intention, visualizing their ideal job, and using the pillow method, they received a job offer the very next day. Another individual manifested financial abundance by focusing on the feeling of freedom and security that comes with financial stability. Within 24 hours of practicing the technique, they received an unexpected windfall that resolved their financial issues. These stories are not just coincidences. They are examples of what can happen when you align your mind, body, and spirit with the powerful forces of the universe. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. While the forbidden manifestation technique is powerful, there are some common mistakes that can hinder its effectiveness. Lack of clarity. Being vague about your desires can lead to unclear results. Always be specific in your intentions. Attachment to the outcome. Holding on too tightly to how and when your manifestation will occur can create resistance. Practice surrender and trust the process. Negative self-talk. Doubts and negative thoughts can sabotage your efforts. Replace them with positive affirmations and focus on what you want, not what you don't want. In conclusion, the forbidden manifestation technique is a powerful tool that can transform your life in ways you've never imagined. By aligning your subconscious mind with your deepest desires, you can bring about rapid, positive changes in your reality. Remember, the key to successful manifestation lies in your belief, clarity, and ability to surrender to the process. Whether you're seeking love, financial abundance, or personal growth, this technique can help you achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. So tonight, take the time to practice this technique. Set your intentions, create your sacred space, and allow the universe to work its magic. Trust in the process, and soon, you'll see how the power of manifestation can truly change your life overnight. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more insights into manifesting your dream life. And if you're ready to take your manifestation journey to the next level, check out the link in the comments for some incredible wealth secrets that could change your life overnight. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the success and happiness in your journey ahead. Until next time, stay positive, stay focused, and keep manifesting your dreams into reality.